Die grinder is a common name among professional metal workers to get their mountainous works done in a jiffy. Delivering unmatched performance, they always live up to the mechanic's desires. So in today's video, we'll show you the 5 best die grinders for metal that are worth your money. So without further ado, let's dive in.
From DIY projects to product reviews and hacks, Tool Zone is where we test all sorts of gear to offer the most unbiased reviews you'll find anywhere, so that you can make well-informed purchase decisions while avoiding getting ripped off.
Tackle all your grinding of confined spaces with the Ryobi PSBD G01B, a compact and lightweight solution to deal with all the metal grinding tasks that cause you concern. Equipped with a powerful brushless motor, this die grinder produces up to 22,000 RPM of speed, providing 2 times more power than the pneumatic ones. Running on Ryobi's universal 18-volt battery system, it offers substantial runtime to complete a wide range of grinding projects. This 1/4-inch die grinder features a 4-mode speed control and a responsive variable speed trigger to live up to all professional expectations for dealing with individual applications. With the onboard spindle lock and single wrench, you can make accessory change a breeze. Besides, the compact and lightweight design will let you use it in areas where air hoses may not work properly. This Ryobi angle die grinder will be worth your hard-earned money, featuring a built-in LED that illuminates the work surface and a wide array of convenient features. Now meet Milwaukee's first cordless right-angle die grinder, the 248520. A highly performing tool that's capable of delivering the performance in a mechanic's dream. This right-angle die grinder is equipped with a power state brushless motor that delivers a maximum no-load speed of 24,500 RPM, allowing you to handle all the demanding grinding projects. It also features 4-mode speed control and a responsive variable speed trigger, meaning you'll get unmatched control for individual job needs. Featuring the M12 12-volt battery technology, you'll get a high amount of runtime to operate uncountable applications. Also, the 0.3 horsepower output delivers 20% more power than the pneumatic die grinders, while the compact size offers greater access and mobility for tight spaces. So add this Milwaukee 248520 to your tool collection and go anywhere taking the power in hand with the size you need. Next up, we have the Metabo GE710 Plus, a durable die grinder with up-to-notch construction and intensive power to bring unparalleled outcomes to your jobs with proper safety. Featuring the Metabo Long Life motor, it generates a no-load speed between 10,000 and 30,500 RPM, meaning you can do all the tough grindings. With the long grinding spindle, you can easily access hard-to-reach places, while the spindle lock will allow you to change the tool simply. Thanks to all its safety features like the electronic safety shutdown, restart protection, and electronic overload protection, you'll get absolute job site safety and reliability. Apart from that, this tool's removable protective rubber cap assures a comfortable working experience, and the slim housing will let you handle it with ease, even in the toughest conditions. All in all, this extremely lightweight die grinder from Metabo will make your construction project safe and smoother with exceptionally lesser noise. For speed, portability, and comfort, check out the Makita XDG01Z, an ideal solution for metalworking and industrial grinding that will provide convenience, efficiency, and productivity. Having a Makita-built motor that runs at 26,000 RPM of grinding speed, this tool provides exceptional energy to make grinding faster. With the compact barrel grip design and 4.4 pounds of weight, you can easily handle the die grinder to get ultimate convenience during all the challenging tasks. Plus, it features a slide switch with lock-on and vent slots that directly exhaust the air away from you. Moreover, the solid aluminum housing of this die grinder ensures added durability, and the stepped neck makes working in tight spaces easier. So if your work demands precision and accuracy, but you want to do them with a comfortable and lightweight tool, then you should go for this Makita XDG01Z. DEWALT is one of the leading brands in the power tools industry. Now say hello to its DC G426B, the most versatile and heavy-duty grinding tool in the category that every professional prefers the most. Equipped with an efficient brushless motor, this grinder delivers 500 MWO and a maximum speed of 25,000 RPM, letting you handle even the most demanding job. Running on a DEWALT 20-volt battery, this variable speed grinder offers substantial runtime and constant power during the whole operation, while the built-in LED illuminates the work area for precision. Plus, with the multiple handles grasping options with a dual-position rocker switch, you'll get a firm grip and operate with minimal fatigue. Overall, with a high brand value and exceptional efficiency in grinding, this DEWALT DCG 426B will be an ideal solution for all professional metal workers. So that was a list of the 5 best die grinders for metal just for you.
Thanks for watching. We always crave to learn more. If you think we missed a product or should add it, we would love to know.
Go ahead and like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.